Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Let's tackle a common question in the NFA world. Do you have to pay for your tax stamp every single year? The short and simple answer is a resounding no. The NFA tax stamp is not an annual registration fee like your car registration. Think of it more like a sales tax. When you buy a major item, you pay the tax on it once at the time of purchase, and that's it. The NFA tax stamp works the same way. This tax is officially a transfer tax, paid to the federal government whenever a specific type of firearm, regulated under the National Firearms Act, is transferred or made. We're talking about items like silencers, short-barreled rifles or SBRs, short-barreled shotguns or SBSs, and machine guns. When you buy a silencer from a dealer, you file an ATF Form 4 and pay a one-time $200 tax. If you decide to build your own SBR, you file an ATF Form 1 and pay that same one-time $200 tax. Once your application is approved and you receive your stamp, you are done paying the tax for that specific item. You own it, and there are no yearly renewal fees or recurring charges to keep it. So, where does this myth of an annual payment come from? It usually stems from a misunderstanding of how firearm businesses operate. A gun dealer or manufacturer who wants to deal in or create NFA items has to pay what's called a Special Occupational Tax, or SOT. This SOT is an annual fee they pay to the government to maintain their special license. This is a business expense for them, allowing them to transfer NFA items without paying the $200 tax on every single item that passes through their inventory. But this annual SOT fee has absolutely nothing to do with you, the end user or individual owner. Your responsibility is the one-time tax associated with your Form 1 or Form 4 application. To put it plainly, once you've paid your $200 and have an approved stamp for your suppressor or SBR, you can enjoy it for the rest of your life without ever sending another dime to the ATF for that item. It's a one-and-done deal. The only time you'd pay another NFA tax is if you were to buy or make another NFA item in the future. We hope this clears up a very common point of confusion. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward answers to your firearms questions. Let us know in the comments if you have any other NFA topics you'd like us to cover.